All eyes is on me. Won't tell no lies, won't hold my tongue. Don't cry for me.
Chicago, nigga.
I don't have no rapper friends, I hang with the vultures. Big ass toaster, hit your whip and flip it over. Big old nigga, he's a big old goofy, Rudy Gobert. Jump off in that lane, you gon' get put on a poster. My Ferrari F8, Lamborghini Roadster. I turn 10 bricks into 12, then burst out.
That's all y'all finna hear in the background. Y'all hear that? Y'all, that's how you know I'm close. Oh, hold on. That way? No, I go that way. No, I'm saying. Load out. You shoot the side you like. Like 200, yeah. Hey, chat, shit finna get real critical. It's already getting real and shit. You feel me? Hey, shit finna get real critical, chat. Come on. Hey, come on. I got some shit coming down my leg.
Oh shit.
Come.
Pull out his toolbox.
Shit a losing, nigga. Y'all just shit a losing.
What is weak ass shit?
God, oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Oh! Hey, I'm taking out the big boy.
Oh shit, he got the big boy.
Say hello.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Say hello to my little friend.
Hello to my little friend.
Huh? You think you'll play with me? Oh, that shit on fire. You wanna go to war? Huh? You wanna go to war? You wanna go to war? Ah, you wanna go to war? Huh? You wanna go to war? Huh? You wanna go to war? Oh, I think I'm running out of cream. I'm running out of nut. Retreat. I ran out. Yeah, nigga, don't want all that. I'll be cooked. Oh, my mama, I'll be cooked. Oh my God. See, look. Hey, Chad, I ain't gonna lie. If this was some real ass shit, some real war, I'll be a sitting duck. This all you will see me do. Look, watch out. This all I'll be doing, I ain't gonna lie. Checking my 10-4, checking my, you know what I'm saying? Hey, check my 6. Cause if this was a grenade, oh shit, they blowing. Bro, hey Jay, how you open this? I feel span as fuck. Watch him come over and do some simple shit.
Yeah.
You know what?
Oh yeah. Get that shoe, nigga.
Oh, he blowing at my man. Oh, nigga, hey, friendly fire, nigga. Friendly fire. Friendly fire. My homie lost it, look it. My cousin lost his super shit. They gonna be fucked up. I ain't gonna lie, chat. Look. Look, chat. Look.
Oh, for real? Yeah, you can't see me in the spawn. Look, they all over here. I can run down with you. Hold up. Hold here.
Damn. Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Damn. Hey, blow that motherfucker. Blow that motherfucker. Hey, get him, get him, get him. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Run. Yeah, fuck. Hey, I told you, hey, I'm ass at fucking war. Hey, I promise you I'm gonna get better, champ. I'm giving motherfuckers ammo and shit. No. We go. Throw a grenade this way. That's a good base right here. We a little bit exposed, but look, it's all about strategy.
What y'all doing?
Get ready for war. You mean what we doing? We supposed to be scared?
Huh? Yeah, you supposed to be scared, gang. Hey, duck your shit.
Go ahead.
Oh, shit.
You mean what we doing?
Where you looking? You get back to base real quick. Get back to base, come on. Move strategic, make sure they don't see us.
Throw that bitch, KY. Throw that bitch, KY. Yeah!
Say hello to my little friend, bitch ass nigga. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Duck that fucking head. Duck that head, bitch.
Do another one. We in the mix of war. This is war, nigga. Do another one.
Duck that fucking head.
Do another one, nigga.
Whole time. What? Your lighter?
Yeah.
I got more.
No, I got one.
Oh.
I forgot what
All right, chat. Hey. Boy, don't wait. Hey, where your grenade?
Huh?
Where your grenade?
It's in my pocket, shit.
All right, good.
I'm gonna throw this thing.
I'm not throwing yours here. Throw yours. You gotta throw. It says use only under. Place on ground. Light fuse and get away. Hey, I'm gonna set up a tactic, right? What are you at?
Go behind the train, one in the corner. Look.
Oh! You wanna go to war? Huh? You wanna go to war? Huh? You think you're better?
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oh! Oh! Nothing killing me! Nothing killing me! Hey, 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 hey!
On base! On base! On base!
Nothing killing me! Nothing killing me! Hey, yeah, it's bogus.
Hey, let my ass up.
I'm on passive mode, bro. I'm on passive mode.
Y'all ain't finna fuck us up and talk about passive. Sweet candy. Hey. Damn, look at I'm gonna get on that bitch. Come on, Jay. Hold on, chat. Hold on, give me. Yay! Fucking wind, chat. I got it. Back up. I got it. You got me? Yeah. Woo! That motherfucker. Ooh. Take cover, nigga. Take cover, nigga. Take cover, nigga. Take cover. Fuck! Go back to bed. These motherfuckers, they not unwrapped. Come on. Damn. Okay. 720. Damn. That's some shit, ain't it?
God damn.
Hey, whoa. Hold on. Hey, you use that one?
Which one?
Or is that mine?
The grenade? That's yours.
I don't even know how to use it. How you use it?
Just pull it.
That's it?
Yeah.
No lighter?
No lighter, just pull it.
You need some agua?
Yeah.
All right, chat. Hey, it's the only time the cameraman gonna drink. You gotta make sure he good. They did send some shots at the cameraman. We gotta go slide, huh? Where they at? Let's sneak up. They blowing that bitch. I gotta help my cuz out. Get on there.
Damn.
Let's join teams.
Huh?
Let's join teams.
Huh? Come on. Huh? You wanna go to war? Yeah. Hey.
Oh shit.
Yo, I ain't mean to throw the light.
You threw the light. This nigga threw the light.
Here, let me see the grenade.
Throw that bitch. Hey, throw it right there. Damn. Come on.
Oh shit.
Hey.
Damn, the cameraman's getting revenge.
Getting
I
his
shot at him
ass.
when he was up there.
Getting his ass. Oh, it popped his foot. Hey, I should. Yeah, go get more ammo. All right, come on. I should go get my big ass one. I should get that big ass one. I ain't gonna lie, I think I suck. Bro, this war shit not for me. I feel like I'm ass. Uh-huh.
I want something that's gonna like all of these and just hold them.
That's what I'm saying. Like if we had like a barrel, you know what I'm saying? You be opening them bitches smooth as hell. You feel me? Like he been through this shit. Like they finna make an alliance. I know they is. He just asked us if he was trying to make one. And I ain't even say shit. We just started popping their ass. But I gotta have some on standby. I'll be running out of one and it be like, damn. They finna make an alliance, I know it.
Didn't he just shoot at him?
Huh?
Why would they make an alliance? He just shot at him.
I'm not saying, we did shoot at him, so he's gonna make an alliance with them.
Who was that just shot at him?
Park police. Fuck was that? That was you? Oh, shit. Hey, Jay. All right. Nice choice of words.
Yeah, look. Watch out. Oh, he's scared, Clay.
Bust him. Bust him there. 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 Bust him there, nigga. Bust him. Bust him. Bust him. Let me get them ankles. Yeah. Bust him. Bust him. Look, get their feet. Don't keep stopping. We go one after the other.
You out. Hurry.
Bust him. Stand your ass up, nigga. Stand your ass up.
Where the aim at? Where your aim at?
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, give me. Oh, damn. Oh, no. Y'all bogus. ¿Cómo te llamo? ¿Cómo te llamo? Muerte como. Me amo. Bonita. Sí. Yo, Chad. I ain't gonna lie. I lost some ammo on the way, but I ain't prepared for this running shit.
Me neither.
Okay. Oh, it's on the sidewalk. Hold on, chat. I was gonna say I dropped my phone, but I didn't. I lied. Okay. I don't like how our base is close to their base.
I'm trying to go move.
We should relocate on their ass, because their ass know where our base is. This shit do not, oh, I was gonna say that shit don't stay. No time we're doing shit. You got more agua?
Yeah. Chill.
His ass overly hot.
It's not that.
Damn. Hold on.
Keep butting on. Keep butting on.
Throw that bitch back.
Oh yeah? Oh, he running.
Come on. Okay. Okay. Y'all think you can do this to me? Huh? Yeah, back up, nigga. Back up, nigga. Back up, nigga.
Let go of that shit, nigga.
Hey, also Matrix in hell yeah. Whoa. I got a cramp. I got a cramp in my. I got a cramp. I got a cramp. Oh, chat. Oh, yeah. Them little ass bullets.
What the hell you think you're doing with that little shit? Stop it! Stop it! Don't shoot that little motherfucker no more!
Oh, he blowing that bitch. Look at that. Blowing that bitch. Damn, I can't. I would have been shot, Chad. I ain't gonna lie. This shit. Do it towards the wind and shit. Nah, Chad, you cooked. Fries. Fries, Chad. Damn, blow that bitch, Jay. What you ran out of the board? Got more in the backpack. Oh shit! They coming at my nigga.
Oh shit. They shooting at you.
Jay! L me, let me get the L. Oh, never mind. You ran out of ammo, nigga. Woo!
Oh shit. Damn.
Hey, chat.
You look like you're out of ammo, quick. Woo!
I need more air. I need more lighter fluid. More lighter fluid will do it. I had to switch out the lighter. Where they at?
You gotta make those blow up, bro.
Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out, Jay! Watch out, Jay! Cameraman! These niggas don't want war with us. All right, chat. Should I forfeit?
No.
That's my white flag tone. But damn, Chad, they on ass.
Hey, bro, if this was ranked, I'd be carrying you.
On my mama, but I told you I'm ass. I ain't ready for no war, but look it. First of all, these motherfuckers is hard to fucking
Light?
First of all. Second of all, these is some weak ass shits. We need more of these. What bitches would have been blasting, chat.
Let's go get the box.
We should, on some finale shit. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, you been carrying, gang. Mama, you been carrying, brother. That's why it's good to have some good soldiers on your
hide under
team.
the train.
Huh?
Folks try to hide under the train.
Under?
Yeah. I popped them in the leg.
You did, I'm on.
Nah, just now.
Oh, just now?
Yeah, again.
That nigga was trying to hide behind the bar. I ain't gonna lie. When them bitches, you could see them bitches coming, you could dodge them hoes. You got eyes? I should go get that box.
Nah, my intuition kicking. I see them coming.
All right, let me get these
They about to train
bitches.
them.
Let me at least get these motherfuckers, the lines visible. What happened? What happened?
It's a siren here.
Huh?
If you go all the way to the other side of the track right there where I just parked at, that's a siren saying you're trespassing, you're on video surveillance, you can't be over here.
I've been seeing that all day.
It's literally right there.
I heard that earlier. I heard that earlier when I was taking some flex. I should use that shit for finale. I ain't gonna lie, chat. I ain't built for this war shit. They said we cooked.
I appreciate you, bro. Yes, sir. It's like sirens and shit going on saying we're trespassing.
Yeah, I heard that earlier, way before y'all got here.
Way before we got here? Yeah.
Before, because we was just taking pics right here.
I don't know. Somebody in the blue shirts pulled up and said we gotta leave.
Oh, because of trespass shit? I've been hearing that.
I would have
the
shot
whole
him with
time.
fireworks.
That's what Mike was finna do, but he ran.
Yeah,
Mike ran? No, Mike was finna shoot the nigga that was snitching, and then he ran.
No, I need to come with more gadgets next time. I don't think these motherfuckers will do it.
Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't know this shit was gonna last this long, though, man. What was that, money?
Yeah. Yeah. Equipped up, nigga. Hey, Chad. Should I trust him?
You hit me like 4 times in that 1v1. I'm trying
That nigga don't count. He don't run for shit. He runs.
Why y'all was attacking the fuck out of my cameraman?
I hit your back though. Yeah, for sure.
There's a lot of these, and these are hard to fucking light. Yeah, this shit. I'm sitting that motherfucker.
You cameraman?
You was lighting me up.
While I was sitting that motherfucker clicking shit.
Right.
No, I heard them while they was fucking loud. I didn't know that was these though. Why the fuck this shit so loud?
It don't boom, it's just a smoke.
Hey, that's what they all say.
Should have been a white flag.
Bro, this shit just keep getting in my eye, bro.
What? Ain't you supposed to have your safety goggles?
No, it was bad when I had the glasses on. I took them off, it got better.
It was just fogging up.
Nah, it was
some
like,
shit over there.
Like
I literally, I think it might actually be shit. It stinks
Oh,
badly.
yeah.
I can feel like probably 4 of us in there.
Oh, yeah, it's looking decent.
Especially trying to chase these two. These two.
Oh! We should go.
So they could
blow
do
their
it. We
ass
can't.
up.
Huh?
Nah, we just in they,
Oh, no,
we
it
just
was
in
the
their
nigga
little
came
shit.
over here and said something.
Well, I've been hearing that the whole time, bro.
Yeah.
So all I gotta say is, what if I just blew y'all out?
That's the crazy part.
What?
You're not crazy though.
Oh, shit.
You're not crazy though. You're not fucking crazy though. You're not crazy though. You're not crazy though. I backed on my cameraman, nigga. I backed on my cameraman, nigga. You're not crazy though. I backed on my cameraman. What? What? Oh, you tough? You tough?
What? What? What?
Oh shit.
What? What? These bitches different. What? Who crazy? Huh? Huh? You wanna go to war? Huh? I told you, leave me alone. Hey, them bitches pop. Yeah. These blue ones pop. These blue ones more intimidating. These blue ones more intimidating. Yeah, damn! Bodies! 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 Bodies!
Bodies! Bodies! Bodies! Bodies!
Hey, these blue ones decent. Hold on, check.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Jay on that. Jay on that. Flood his ass. That weak ass shit. Oh.
What you want? It's like these shit.
He got a high point.
What you want?
Hey, play baseball.
Yup.
Oh, you trying to walk? You walking up?
No, let's play baseball.
Let's
Let's
play.
play baseball.
Run!
Watch out.
Let's play baseball. Let's play baseball. Let's play baseball. Let's play baseball.
Watch out.
Oh yeah, this a home run, boy.
Watch out. Oh, the fuck is that?
Watch out.
These bitches bust. I fuck with these blue ones. We saved the best for last, man.
It's not lit.
Hey, I can merch it just was. You got that burn mark on it. I'm gonna rip the paper.
How's it looking, chat? Happy 4th, sis. Y'all feel raindrops?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jay finna, hey, Jay finna walk their ass down. You trying to come on my bucket? Walk his ass down. Fuck. Fuck, chat. Hey. We got a little hug.
Oh yeah, it's fine, bro.
He busting his ass. Look at Cuz. Look at Cuz. He's busting shit.
The battery down.
Oh, wait. What'd you say? No. Hey, come here, chat. What'd you say? Say it.
Don't.
You said don't what?
Don't what?
Let me say it with your chest, nigga.
Hold on, let my cameraman come over here.
I said
I said just don't, you feel me?
say it with your chest.
I just said don't.
Put your hands on, nigga.
Alright, hold on.
Say uncle, nigga.
My cameraman here, bro.
Hey, say uncle, nigga.
Uncle, bro, I quit.
Yeah,
Bro.
say uncle.
M unit.
Hey, what?
You won, bro. You won the war, gang.
What that? Say it one more time.
You won the war, gang.
Clear your throat.
You won a war, gang.
Hey,
Bulletproof vest.
the W's, chat. It's for the hood.
You gotta, let me see that.
So I'd be wrong, right?
Yeah, I quit, bro. I quit.
Hey,
y'all might have had that first half, but I definitely took over that second half.
no, the second half, I started to use these motherfuckers go crazy. The blue ones, let's walk and talk. You know what I'm saying? Get rid of the, you know what I'm saying? Does anybody got some war wounds? You got some war wounds?
Man, I got lit up. I ain't gonna lie, he with the whatever the big ones, right?
Hell yeah. Oh, look at the war, look at the war grounds. Look at the war grounds. Look all around this shit. You know what I'm saying? I came to win, to ride, to prosper. Hey, we got some ammo left over, nigga. Hey, boy, chat. I ain't gonna lie. That was the first little, you know what I'm saying, firework war. Next year, I'm gonna train for this shit, first of all. I'm gonna do a whole little training simulation. The fireworks that I do need, probably some real grenades or something, you feel me? But at the end of the day, I took the L. And I take that shit as a man. Accountability, you know what I'm saying, step one. But at the end of the day, he held it down. You feel what I'm saying? Held that motherfucker down, you hear me? He held that shit. He had this whole second half, you feel me?
Oh, bro, I did.
Well, I was back there.
Take over.
When I was back there fidgeting with that damn lighter. Come on, Billa. Come on, motherfucker. Come on, motherfucker.
Yeah, you can't see me in the spawn. Look, they all over here. I can run down with you. Hold up. Hold on, look at her.
Damn. You know what I'm saying? He had my back. When I was trapped in the corner, gas grenade, quick. Woo! He had my back, you hear me? Like, that's why you gotta keep your soldiers around, you hear me? Make sure you know who's on your team. I ain't gonna lie, we ended decent though. When I found out them blue ones was popping for real.
That's the ones I was tying together. I thought they were blowing up.
And he driving on fast. Damn, Chad, slow top, slow down. I ain't gonna lie. W string, y'all. W shit.
Camera on camera.
Yeah,
Are you the
man.
cameraman that's like allowed to talk or no?
Yeah.
Oh.
Talk about
Was he supposed to talk?
No, just
Can he eat at least?
he likes to joke sometimes.
Oh, okay.
But at the end of the day,
For anybody
let me talk to you real quick.
We should all take a
You fucked up, bro.
I bet. We all gotta get like an underground.
What you think you're doing, huh? Huh? What do you think you're doing, huh? You're embarrassing me, yeah. Yeah, you're embarrassing me. Yeah, tighten up.
Car did that picture like this. We can all like.
No, good shit, y'all.
We all definitely back over there.
No, you got a few more you finna bust off, huh? Yeah. I got some shit to bust
Oh, we can do it. We got ones that shoot up in the air that we was gonna end stream over there.
off. We do too.
We gotta make a skit too.
Why don't we just do it right here?
Oh, we can drive back over here.
Bet. Now, come on, chat.
Hold
Hold on.
Bro, this don't feel right. Like I was crazy. I was on the train. I was like, oh, you hear that shit?
Oh, my mama.
That shit had me paranoid. I was like, I don't like that.
Yo, you streaming or you vlog?
Streaming. Yeah, my mama.
Yo, what you call your family?
My Vulture World.
Ultra World?
Vulture World.
Ultra World?
Yeah, Vulture. Hey, this the handshake right here though. You feel me? Gotta throw it to Vulture, you hear me? Real shit. But nah, Vulture World, what's your shit? What's your family?
You ain't got no family name.
You got a family? Huh?
We just solidified because we've been troops, we've been soldiers. Feel me? We solidified we're the M units.
Okay.
X the troops.
Okay.
X militia.
Okay.
But I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
From the core where it started at, I've been a lover boy, you feel me? And I'm getting a lover boy tattoo.
Oh.
But the M unit.
M unit?
M unit, yeah.
What does that stand for?
Mike unit. So it's like everybody in the chat. I'm thinking about giving everybody like badges and you could like move up in the ranks. Depending on how much you be stream and all that shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like on some official army shit or something. What's the logo? Like a Mario?
I don't know. It's gonna be some army shit though. Some shit.
So your family M unit?
But right now we came over today.
That shit decent. That shit decent.
Walk down M unit. Bro, I did. Bro, I did. Bro, I did.
Say it again.
On bro, I did.
Shit.
On bro, I did. And you ain't gonna do nothing about it.
I wanna run too. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Yep. That's why I'm not even going.
Hey, we see Vulture World walk down on shit. Vulture World walk down on shit. You see how shit going?
Yeah though.
Like he
You know it's crazy.
he's sending shots, ain't even connected.
You
He's
part
sending
of
shots,
Baltimore,
ain't
right?
even connected.
You forgot your man. Oh! You forgot your man. You forgot your man. You forgot your man.
Okay.
I told you the war ain't over till it's over. I told you, look. Yeah. War ain't over till it's over. War ain't over till okay, you gonna shoot that at me? You gonna play with me?
You smart as fuck. Yeah, don't pop that trunk, nigga.
Hey.
Pop that trunk, nigga.
Told you I
Nothing
war
in
ain't over
there.
till it's
Nigga,
over.
that's really popping.
War ain't over till it's over, nigga.
Alright.
Yeah.
He has some. Alright, M unit, Vulture
Wait,
World.
wait. How you gonna shoot after you claimed the war was over though?
That's called back door.
Oh, you a back door? Oh, you a back door?
The whole M unit back door, nigga. Look.
All
I
y'all
backdoor
back
this nigga. I backdoor Monty. Nigga, I even backdoor my own cameraman, nigga. Fuck you talking about?
I don't give a fuck about you. I don't give a fuck about Steele. And I don't give a fuck about Raheem either. I don't give a fuck about myself.
He did.
Alright, nigga.
We gonna slide on you.
Hey, the war's not over till it's over, nigga.
Hey, M unit moving a little different.
Slide on you.
I ain't gonna lie. What's your family?
We the lover boys, man. But he got head tapped, so he been over with.
Oh, niggas getting head tapped and you talking crazy?
I just want y'all to know there's still more fireworks. It ain't over till it's over. Alright, then I thought so.
I light that motherfucker under that car.
me and back at the workout?
Yeah.
Alright, then.
You for real?
Huh?
You for real about that statement?
No, nigga, I ain't no pussy, nigga.
Oh, for real?
Oh, for real? Hey, no, not in the car, not in the car, not in the car.
Hey, this one already
I
lit.
ain't never been pussy, nigga.
What?
Walk down. Walk down. We fucking tires, nigga. Walk down.
Damn.
That motherfucker from the top. Hey, nigga, chill. Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
Damn.
Hey, this fireworks shit is not my strong suit. But let's get in the gym. Let's do something else. Or let's get in a real war. Hey, M unit, we on that. Lover boy, we might, you know what I'm saying? We ain't get there yet, but look, M unit, we on that. All right, we on politics though. You not gonna wait till they pull their shit out. Fuck, you don't just show hand. You don't show your cards. You don't show your cards, chat.
Shit, but what if you got an ace? You gotta play that.
A joker and shit. You looking a little.
Your cameraman just could've got flipped 3-4 different ways, nigga.
Oh.
Your cameraman ain't ready.
Hey, vultures.
What you got something in your pocket?
Nah, what you got? I see you looking a little tactical over there.
I'm trying to make sure niggas good. You good?
You good?
You good?
You straight?
You good?
Wait,
y'all
say
sure everybody good?
Clean to be a back door, right?
I've been the back door. Nah, boy. Back door nigga again. You want to see me do it to my cameraman right now?
He said stall him out, Devo.
This the closest nigga on my team right now.
Stall him out, Devo. Stall him out, Devo.
Come on, let's get the big ones though.
All right,
How many y'all got?
Damn. How many you got, nigga? Hey, how this shit work? How you do that? So put it right here. Put this over your
Yep.
No. You don't like this one?
Now go ahead. Them bitches blowing. Them bitches blowing. Yo, chat. Hey, chat. W. Huh? That bitch loud as hell.
I hold this bitch, right?
That bitch ain't done. I'm playing. Yo, this is shit you jump over. This is shit you jump over. You won't.
Come here, get one. Come here, get one.
Look at that! I did that shit late as hell.
Hold on.
Hey! Vulture shit. Vulture shit. Fuck! That bitch started tweaking. I got the power! That shit ain't do nothing.
This is dead.
Nope, got it.
Oh shit. Woo! Woo! Chat! Hey, chat. Hey, W string, gang. You know what I'm saying? A little finale for y'all at the end. You feel me? W war. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Jay. Come on, flock in. Hey, chat. Hey, this is how we do it. You know what I'm saying? First little war the Vulture World been in. You know what I'm saying? We take shit a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We tread lightly a little bit until it gets serious. You hear me? Until it get real serious. You feel me? But at the end of the day, we finna come back next year and do some dirt. I promise we finna do some dirt. We gonna do some dirt, chat. On God.